Hey guys, welcome to yet another Oracle lecture. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start ASM, that is Automatic Storage Management Service, and eventually database. So this is a single server where ASM is installed and database is running on ASM storage. So if I check for the P1 processes, there is nothing out here, and in the OR tab we can see the grid home as well as Oracle home location. Now let's see what you'll get by running CRS-CPL start ASM. So this is the command. Oops, it should be HAS. So what we'll do is we'll stop the high availability services using post option, and then we'll start it again. So this server had got rebooted abruptly, so there were some zombie processes. So the high availability services stack will start ASM listener and all the essential parts. So let's give it some time. And you can monitor for the status using check online. Okay. And we can monitor the status here in the diag location. So I've kept it here in the base diag, and then ASM plus ASM trace. Okay, you can monitor the alert log here. So there is some warning here. Memory target is a parameter which is set in automatic memory management. This is a parameter related to that, and they are giving it very clearly here. You are trying to use memory target feature for ASM instance. That is, this feature requires dev SHM file system to be mounted with at least these many bytes. Okay, so fair enough. So let's go here. I'll be back as root. So dev SHM is having less size here. Okay, so here in terms of bytes, we need around 1 gig. So this is kilobytes and megabytes. Okay, so around that. So I have a mount command handy here. I am mounting it with much higher size here. Let's run here df-h. So as you can see here, this is the command which will mount dev SHM with required size. Okay, you can I'll share more details on this in the description. You can go over that. So now that the dev SHM, that is file system, is being mounted with required size, so this will be utilized by automatic memory management. Okay, so that is another topic for discussion. Now that we have, let's see, this will start the ASM instance. I'll go back to Oracle, user on app Oracle, dial ASM plus ASM trace. Okay, so let's redo what we did earlier. We'll stop the high availability services and start it up. This time you should see ASM will start. Okay, it started. Let's monitor the alert log. Let's give it some time. This server has some shortage of memory. Okay, this time there is no problem here and everything is getting started. So all information is being present here. Let me navigate you through the alert log. So now we have both ASM and database instance running. Oops, it's taking a bit. So ASM is up. Let's log in here. So in order to log into the ASM instance, go to Oracle Home. To this, and let's set the path variable Oracle Home bin, and let's check for Oracle SID while we are at it. Nothing is being set. Oracle SID is equal to plus ASM. So you can see here the ASM is using the SP file which is present in the ASM disk. So the intricacies will go in detail in next video. How it, without ASM instance getting started, how does it access the SP file? What is the content of SP file which is present in disk? Okay, so that's a very interesting question. So the issue here is as soon as the database or ASM instance is started, I think there is less memory over here. So it was taking a while. So I have to kill few processes. Okay, let's create a P file to see what are the contents required to start an ASM instance. Temp P file. asm.aura from sp5. Okay, now we'll go back there. So you can see here ASM disk string. This is an important parameter because it will tell you the path where the ASM disks are. So they'll be usually present in /dev. This is a Linux server. So all the devices are present in /dev. And ASM power limit is related to the rebalancing, and there is a local listener parameter. These are all optional one, and large pool is set, and SGA size is not explicitly set here, so that's why it's going to automatic memory management default values of AMM. And yeah, basically in terms of mandatory parameters requirement, this one should be enough. So rest of the things will be taken care by Oracle. So this is a 19.3. Now that we have ASM running, let's start the database. Oh, okay. So it took a while, I think, but database is already here. Now I'll switch to my Oracle DB. And to see our data files, we run select name from data file. So as you can see, everything is there in the plus data, and this is a container database. So you have a seed PDB and one more pluggable database which is used for applications. In order to start this, alter pluggable database all, open, read write. So this is a command. So by default, the PDBs will be in mounted state. So you need to bring it up explicitly using this command. Okay, let's look it up regarding a reason why we could not bring this up. Of course, there is one which is in PDB seed should be in read only. Probably that's the reason. Let's try a bit more before concluding this video. We can give just until here and let Oracle figure it out whether it should open in read only or read write. Okay, let's give one more try. Okay, Let's troubleshoot it in the next video. Thank you.